We are the ones generating electricity privately to keep the lights on. We are the ones paying private security to keep our staff and communities safe. We are paying twice for basic human services, once through heavy municipal taxes, and a second time out of pocket to private companies for the exact services the state fails to deliver. The tragedy is that although the private sector is at the ready to assist, government boots it out. Corporate South Africa sits on trillions of rands in capital, money that could rebuild roads, secure the grid, and fix the water systems without delay. The private sector refuses to hand over that money to government because government simply squanders it, leaving citizens completely without services. The state actively destroys private solutions just to protect its own looting machine.